This is Priyanshu Patro, and I am here with the cryptography assignment having four tasks. The first task is scissor cipher, the second task is avalanche effect, the third task is RSA, and the fourth task is checking password strength. Moving to our first task, that is scissor cipher. What is scissor cipher? Scissor cipher is the shifting of words, shifting of letters on the basis of the position number in the alphabetical order. So, on the basis of the position number, which we take it as a key, and we just do shifting. And it's very weak concept because the statistical pattern of alphabets is unchanged, so it's easily breakable by using the frequency method, frequency analysis attacks. It's easily breakable. So here I'm using 5 as a key, means A is replaced with F and so on. So this is my plain text, that is cryptography is the practice of secure communication in the presence of adversarial behavior. I, Priyanshu Patra, with registration number 2427030735, am demonstrating the weakness of scissor cipher. Since this algorithm simply shifts letter, it fails to hide the statistical patterns of the English language, making it vulnerable to frequency analysis attacks. So that's my motive 2. So let's convert it into the ciphertext. So this is my ciphertext. The C is converted to H and R is converted to W and so on. So let's apply some cryptanalysis on this. So I copied it. Applying the cryptanalysis, we received the same plain text. No change in the plain text. Cryptography is a practice of secure communication in the presence of adversarial behavior, apprehension method with registration number. So this is the same plain text we, we received from the ciphertext. So it's easily breakable, not so much strong enough. So now we move to the next. Is the next task, that is avalanche effect in AES. Interested in AES algorithm? So avalanche effect, what it is? Avalanche effect is the changing. If I change a single letter in plain text, in simple language, if I change a single letter in my plain text, the whole cipher text get changed. It could be 50 to 60% cipher get changed, or whole 100% cipher text gets changed. So that is avalanche effect, and we are doing it in A's. So my plain text is my registration number is 24270307. So this is my plain text. Now I apply this. Done. So here you can see we got the ciphertext for the from the AES, like there is 65, 50, 60. Yes, just remember the ciphertext. Now I am changing a single letter, like the place of RE I did RA, registration number. Now I play it, continue. So here you can see the whole cipher text get changed. Whole cipher text. I think it was starting from 65 or 64. Now it's starting from 94. So the whole cipher text got changed on changing the single letter. Now moving to our next task, that is RSA. So what we have to do, my motive in RSA is to showcase that on using the public key, I'm using here a public key. Now, using the public key, I am converting it into the ciphertext. Only the showcase. Here we got the ciphertext, and when we copy and use that key to convert it into the plain text, I got the same result, same plain text. So that's all we have to do in RSA to showcase using the public key to convert my plain text to the ciphertext and do the same for the decryption. Now moving to the my last part, that is checking password strength. Here I will opt a password. Like I'm using my registration number as my password. Now you can see the complexity is weak. It's very weak. The entropy is 2.5, the score is 25, the bit strength is 25. So it's means by seeing all this we can say that we can conclude that the it's very weak password. So if I add some special characters in between like at the rate hash or some numbers or some letters, now my complexity gets very strong. My entropy gets 4.0 something. My bit strength is 104. The score is 100. So now my password is very strong. Rather than just typing numbers, I add some letter, some special character, and it will be strong. It's not that much easy to play. So here my all the tasks of the cryptography accomplished. Thank you.